Good evening, everybody. We've got a lot to get to tonight at 5:30. We begin in Hamburg, where Ali Ingersoll shows us how people are picking up the pieces.
The damage from the tornado that touched down here yesterday is significant. You can see the cleanup efforts really just beginning here today. Tree limbs and leaves litter neighborhood streets as residents begin figuring out what happens now after an EF2 tornado touched down in the South towns.
A disaster. A disaster. Just trying to walk through the trees to get up to the house to check the damage. And it was unreal.
A branch came through the bedroom upstairs. I just found that one, and yeah, and the whole backyard is, you know, all filled in with the trees.
Elaine Polisano had just arrived home Thursday afternoon when she heard the winds whipping and the rain pouring. She was calling her granddaughter, warning and encouraging her to seek shelter when the storm system, traveling upwards of 105 miles per hour, struck.
And with that, it just happened. And I heard glass and a lot of noise, roaring sound, and that's about it. When I looked out, it was unbelievable.
A day later, you can still hear her voice shaking as she's describing the moment.
You have no time to do anything. It happens and you're in it.
Now she's back outside with family and friends who are coming by to help, and together they're assessing the damage.
Now this morning, like, my chest is tight, and then, yeah, shaky, nervous.
Many people anxiously waiting with her phone in her hand, hoping it'll ring soon. And the call will be from the insurance company, as she's wanting to know just how much the cleanup efforts will cost.
I'm on a fixed income as it is now, and you just take one day at a time.
It's almost like you just wait and just start all over again. That's all you can do.
Town of Hamburg officials are telling us that they think it'll take a week for everything to be cleaned up here. Now, they are saying that some of the north towns are loaning equipment down here as they do their cleanup efforts after this storm. And a lot of the residents are saying that their family and friends and neighbors have all come together to help each other out during this time of need. Reporting from Hamburg, Ali Ingersoll, News 4.